Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing one of my landscape watercolor paintings with some Meeden paints that I received. These are the watercolor paint set. It's 24 colors. The colors I'm going to be choosing are vermilion and burnt, no, that's purple. Burnt sienna and some cerulean blue. Yeah, so a nice set of watercolors. I'm going to be using also their paper that I received, and it is there's 20 sheets in here. They're 150-pound paper. It's not smooth. It's not really rough either. It's sort of like an in-between, medium. They're acid-free, 100% cotton, cold press. So I'm going to be using this, and it's sealed on all sides except here, where this is where once you finish your painting and it dries, then you would just score it along here with your fingernail or whatever, and then it comes off. Okay. And here's the brushes I received. They're also Meeden brushes. They're very soft. I have a coupon code in my description below my video for 10% off your total order if you order from Meeden. I have a few links also under my video in the description where the coupon code is. Okay. I'm going to use my Meeden palette knife to add the paint to the paper. I'm not going to wet my paper. It's dry. I am going to add my paint now. This is the vermilion I'm starting out with, and I've got some on my knife here, and I'm just going to randomly add it in certain spots. And this is the burnt sienna. Whoops. And just randomly putting it on the paper. Just no real plan, just placing it wherever I feel. And here is the cerulean blue. I'm just going to add a little bit on the bottom. A little bit there, some. Okay, that's probably all I need. All right, I'm going to wet my brush it's going to be just saturated with water. And then I just run my paintbrush wherever I want. Let's just get some more water on there. And then I just bring it up like that. I'm going to do the same for the bottom. And I'm just going to move my paper around a little bit. I'm going to let that dry. And basically that's it. Once it's dry, I will show you the result. Okay, I'm back and it is dry. So what you do is I'm not gonna use my fingernail. I'm just gonna use one of the palette knives, and then you just go along here like this and like this. And that's it. That's it. It's very simple. You can always add, embellish it with some trees if you want, or just leave it like this. Okay. So don't forget to check out the description below my video. I have a coupon code for 10% off your total order if you order from Meeden. And yeah, check out that. I have lots of links in my description. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.